Are you looking for an easy way to change the name of a group chat on Instagram? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of changing your group chat name on Instagram. I'll show you where to find the setting so you can make any necessary changes quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to customize your group chat name on Instagram. To get started, open up the Instagram application, and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to your chats section. And now go ahead and tap on the group that you want to change the name of. After that, tap on the current group chat name at the top left of the screen. So now all you have to do next is tap on where it says name, clear the existing group chat name, and enter the new group chat name. I'm simply going to enter example as my new group chat name. Once you enter the new group chat name, tap done at the top right corner of the screen. And now when you go back, you'll see that your group chat name has been successfully changed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.